Users have the possibility to operate the instrument and begin experiments with a straightforward touch button software called GoScan. GoScan comes with pre-installed Bruker standardized experiments that are ready to use right out of the box. Therefore, even if you are new to NMR, there is no need for extensive training. With just a few clicks, you can run your own NMR experiments. If some sample-specific parameters need to be adapted, like for instance the number of repetitions for an experiment, users can easily adjust this in GoScan as well. No need to run expert-level software. When an experiment is finished, you can easily check the general data quality at a glance. The data export function allows you to easily record data by one user while the analysis can be done by somebody else entirely. And, an added bonus, the data can be exported automatically once the acquisition is finished to any folder, data server, or external storage device. For more advanced NMR users, the Fourier 80 holds a little surprise, which is actually not so little at all. The Fourier 80 can be operated with Bruker's industry standard software TopSpin for acquisition, processing, and data analysis. When compared to GoScan, TopSpin comes with all the bells and whistles known from our high-field NMR instruments. And the best part? All of this is available for the Fourier 80 as well. Through TopSpin, Fourier 80 users have access to the complete Pulse program library with the ability to adjust experiments, shape pulse options, AU and Python scripts, and all the things NMR experts love to use when working on Bruker high-field NMR instruments. With the Fourier 80, full power meets full flexibility. This allows the user to create their own experiments or complete workflows, also at 80 MHz. There's no need to be afraid of expert TopSpin experiments because they can easily be transferred to GoScan and even hidden behind a button.